Transparency is finally taking center stage in global finance, and the demand for open, auditable systems is growing. Elon Musk and the DOGE Task Force are suggesting an unprecedented effort to audit and inspect Fort Knox, questioning whether the U.S. gold reserves stored there are as secure and as accurate as claimed. The gold at Fort Knox was first brought to Musk's attention on X by the news site Zero Hedge, who pointed out that an audit hadn't been conducted since 1974. But that was a partial audit that took place in 74, and in fact a full audit hasn't happened since 1953, over 70 years ago. Whether it's hidden gold, unchecked government spending, or financial manipulation at the highest levels, the core issue here is a system built on secrecy and manipulation versus a system built on transparency. And that's why Bitcoin stands at the center of this debate. Unlike gold reserves, which are only as honest as their custodians, Bitcoin operates on a fully transparent, decentralized ledger. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, verifiable by anyone at any time, eliminating the need for trust in centralized authorities. Unlike a gold reserve audit, a Bitcoin reserve audit would take mere minutes. Bitcoin's fixed supply was created to protect against inflation and monetary debasement, issues often cited in critiques of fiat currency and gold-backed systems. If Fort Knox reserves were found to be lacking or mismanaged, it could fuel concerns that the US dollar is not as secure as claimed, and some believe that at that point President Trump would pivot to a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Musk's push for an independent audit aligns with the growing demand for financial accountability in the US. If discrepancies are found, it could shake the American public's confidence in the US monetary system, reinforcing the need for an asset that is transparent by design like Bitcoin. Auditing Fort Knox would be an immensely complex and expensive undertaking. The vault allegedly holds over 4,500 metric tons of gold, and verifying its authenticity would require extensive manual inspections and security clearances at the highest level. Given the sheer scale, logistical hurdles, and the cost of shutting down operations for a thorough audit, the process could take months or even years. But what's the alternative? Governments that print money without limits and control assets behind closed doors? The days of trusting the system blindly are coming to an end. Bitcoin eliminates the need for trust because it operates on a verifiable, decentralized ledger. Bitcoin miners audit the chain every 10 minutes without fail. No secret reserves, just cryptographic honesty and accountability on a level seldom seen for public institutions. All of it in real time. As more people question whether they can trust centralized financial institutions, Bitcoin offers an alternative, a monetary system where every transaction is open, fair, and visible to all. Transparency is no longer optional. Open, verifiable financial systems are the future. The future is Bitcoin, and BitGo can help secure yours. Head over to bitgo.com to learn more.